This is your captain speaking. As you just noticed, we launched these. Steering bar, handlebar risers. But this is just in the handlebar, the handlebar or steering stem reinforcement for Can-Am. They just arrived. We have them in turquoise, pink, black. Also, the brake reservoir lid for Can-Am came. We have these in black, turquoise, and pink as well. They are in stock right now, or in a few minutes, depending on when you see this, or when I post this one. Let's talk steering stem, steering handlebar things. This would be, all of this is our things, obviously. And this is the steering stem reinforcement thing. This is stainless steel, hexagonal rod, machined to fit this particular machine. You have the CNC machine parts, upper parts there, and you just slide it in like this. And then optional, if you have the riser, you use that one in the cavities there, or just place the steering bar, handlebar there. I'm now going to try to assemble this without, okay, this feels a wee bit unsecure, but bear with me. Yankee IF. Okay, you just put the steering bar there, and then you have these. These are made to fit in one direction. You can see the holes are a bit offset there, so that they have to match up with the holes in the lower part. Stainless steel screws, and obviously I found the right ones. Stainless steel nuts, nylock. Just get them to start taking thread there. And there you have it. The RJWC steering stem reinforcement with the RJWC handlebar riser. This is something else. This one is also in stock right now. And one could ask, why the hell are you doing steering bar things? You're an exhaust company, but we're trying to broaden our array of products, and in all honesty, we thought we could make some cool shit, and we certainly did it. It came out really nice. Okay, I didn't center that piece one perfectly. This is something to have in mind. Make sure that you center the sort of centerpiece there. That's installation personnel malfunction, I'd say. But hey, the other parts then. Yeah, what other parts? Let me show you. This is crooked. Okay, so we have the steering stem contraption in black. And we have it in pink. And this color. I'm getting a ton of shit for how I pronounce it, so I'm not going. It's in between blue and green. All of these products are really nicely packed. They come in cardboard boxes with foam inlay, sort of inspired by, as we call this, the cockpit line. It's sort of airline inspired. This is a luggage tag thing. And also, same thing goes for this one. Do not drink. The lid for the brake reservoir on Can-Am, and also we're including screws, and since we're an international company, we're using Torx and not metric this time. And let's see what's happening. A normal day at RJWC, let's see what's happening. We have Robin simulating some work. See a normal day, and he's blasting like this cat eater music. Not catheter, cat eater. We're using the Milwaukee and Makita just because they are the polar opposites, or polar opposites, I don't know. But kind of like both brands, more or less. And if someone from Makita or Milwaukee sees this and say, hey, we would like you to use the other one, we'll fucking buy DE-Volt. Now when you're already here, let's do a quick office tour. My office. Robin's office. Economy office, but she's not here today. The whole video installation, video thing. Kitchen area. These two operational officers here. He makes cool shit, he also makes cool shit. Cool shit. Here we have something you can't see. And also we have people sleeping on the lunch breaks and don't destroy the car furniture.